What type of business entity should I set up for my gunsmithing business? Well, I'm not a CPA, I'm not an attorney. However, I've run a business for almost 50 years. And in my experience, that the purpose of setting up an LLC or a corporation is primarily to provide yourself some legal separation between your personal assets and your business assets. And I think this is a really good idea. So, generally speaking, you can run your gunsmithing business as a proprietorship, sole proprietorship, or you can set up a limited liability corporation or an S corporation or a C corporation. And I don't want to get into too much detail on that because it really depends on your specific situation. But I will say that a primary goal of a corporation should be to separate your personal assets like your home, your vehicles, and so on from your company or corporate assets such as the gunsmithing tools, the gunsmithing operation, everything you're doing within that entity. That way, if there was ever a problem, and there shouldn't be if you're following what we teach you, design, function, repair, gunsmithing, and always following the safety protocols. But if there was a problem, and for any reason you were sued, even if you went beyond your insurance, this corporate entity would help to protect all of your personal assets. Again, every person's case is a bit different, so check with your CPA and/or business attorney to find out what's right for you.